Let's make pizza dough.
White flour. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Sugar, 1 teaspoon. Yeast, 1½ tablespoon. Mix it. Lukewarm milk, ½ cup. Add 1 egg. Cooking oil, 2 tablespoons. Mix it well. Knead dough with warm water. Now cover it with lid and let it sit for 2 hours or until dough is double in size.
Let's make pizza sauce.
Tomato puree, 1 cup. Cooking oil, 1 tablespoon. Cook it on medium flame. Sauté it for 2 minutes. Tomato ketchup, ½ cup. Cook it on medium flame for 2 minutes. Salt, ½ teaspoon. Paprika powder, 1 teaspoon. Oregano, 1 teaspoon. Onion powder, 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes, 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder, 1 teaspoon.
It's ready. Let's make chicken.
Boneless chicken, 1 chest piece. Cooking oil, 1 tablespoon. Cook it on medium. Yogurt, 3 tablespoons. Chili flakes, 1 teaspoon. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Tikka masala, 1 tablespoon. Oregano, ½ teaspoon. Paprika powder, 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. Now cook it on medium flame for 5 minutes. Sauté it well on medium flame.
It's ready.
Add few drops of oil. Knead until dough becomes smooth. Now make small loaves according to pizza size. Rest it for 5 minutes. Grease it with oil. Spread the dough well. Cover it and leave for 2 minutes.
Let's start making pizza.
Poke holes with fork. Prepared chicken. Sprinkle some mozzarella cheese. Capsicum slices, as required. Tomato slices, as required. Onion rings, as required. Sprinkle shredded cheddar cheese. Sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle oregano. Sprinkle chili flakes. Now bake it in preheated pot, approximately for 15 minutes or until done.
It's ready to serve.